We are going to Dino Land. Right now is Donald's Dino Bash. Oh yeah, we actually are going to first walk through the area I worked at. Here's where some of the characters will be later on doing their little meet and greets. Oh yeah, that's the rides that I did right there. Yeah, well, there's going to be a line inside, but there's no outside line right now, at least.
Which is good.
I'm not
Yeah.
going to mind an indoor line because that'll be air conditioned.
Yeah, so it shouldn't be too bad.
An outside line coming all the way down
But it's
here.
also because we got here early. If we would have gotten here later. There you go. The line is not too long, but it's also because we got here early. Normally this one, the lines are longer. We're going to go inside the Dino Institute. Here we are inside the Dino Institute. Yes, Mom. And now we're at the Dino Institute. Learn about dinosaurs. And look where we are now. We're at the Field Museum, essentially. Sue. Oh, Sue's outside. No longer the replicas, I think. But they have a replica of Sue outside. That was towards the beginning. Now here's where I used to work. Here's the Kimono Dragon. Look at him burying himself in there. There's a little double track. There's Expedition Everest. Ooh, so scary. Now, of course, before there's only a 15-minute wait. Now it might have gone up a little bit because I had to go to the bathroom. Still saying 15, so hopefully we're okay. Expeditions to Everest. The Yeti. He is a legend in these parts. Ooh, the Yeti God. Oh no. Man, look at all these artifacts. Here's one, the mystery of the lost expedition, because the Yeti attacked them. But we don't know for sure. Oh wait, but look at these pictures right here that they caught on their camera. Oh man, guys, this might not be good.
I don't know.
Phil, this might not be good.
What's that?
This might not be good.
You got all these masks, you know. Get the wild boar, and then you have a Yeti. I think we're good.
Is that bear or a Yeti?
That's pretty cool.
There's Josh Gates with the Yeti footprint. I think from that one episode we watched, we searched the Yeti. Oh wow. Look at that one.
I think that's somebody doing a lot of digging.
Cast of a footprint from 2005. Here we are, our expedition group. We are going to be loading our train to go up to the mountain.
Oh no!
Oh no.
Himalayan escapes welcomes members of the expedition Everest team. When you board, please sit down immediately, pull down the restraint, and secure.
Which we're not going to see. I know some people like it, but I've heard that it's not like the best, and we're only here for a few days. So yeah, so we're not gonna see that one. We're gonna go see the Star Wars show instead tonight. There's the monkey.
One up there.
I'm just hanging out, eating some food.
Hey,
Look at this monkey. Just chilling out on the wire. Look at this monkey. Just chilling out on the wire. Here's the kimono dragon. Look at him burying himself in there. Or the little jungle trek. Oh no, tigers are frequently encountered in the ruins ahead.
No!
You better watch out, Dad. You might see some tigers.
I hope I do.
I think those were the baby ones.
Yeah.
Whoa. Whoa.
There's the babies.
Yeah, what is she calling
Stick. That's got a stick. It's like Lance.
Oh my god, the stripes of that one's back are amazing.
I like the little white circles on the back of its ears.
Oh my god, that one reminds me of Lance so much.
There's the monkeys
Oh
up
yeah, I
there.
see it now, both of them. Yeah, look, there's like one whitish there too.
Yeah. Yeah, you can see him moving around. Look at those dragons up there.
I think they're bats.
Those bats up there. Dun dun dun. The bats are inside here. Look at the lizard.
Ooh, wow. Ooh, yeah, what kind are these? Tree monitor. Wow.
Here's the bat. He's not moving anymore. He's kind of just swinging.
Chilling. Like, I'm tired.
It almost looks like fake until he moves.
It's like I was out
plenty of time last
night. I'm like, I'm tired,
Yeah. Look at this birdie.
I remember our, you know what, in Chicago, our dining room unit, there was all pigeons.
Look at this nest.
This little thing, guys.
That one is like on like right there. See it?
Yeah.
Maybe there are people looking at how they can wait our turn. So a little bit different. They are fighting.
It almost looks like a dragon tail coming out of it.
It does.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, and
wow.
pigeons are both in the phase of a close related, and this guy is like one.
We are in Africa now.
back there. Now coming up here on the left side as well, you'll see some lighter brown animals. Those are the greater kudu. They're one of the tallest antelope in Africa. On our right side up there, you'll see the okapi. The okapi, yeah, it is the only living relative of the giraffe. They have a similar skull structure to the giraffe and a similar way of eating with its long prehensile tongue. Now the okapi is pretty new to the Western world. Westerners discovered it in 1901. Before that, we thought the okapi was a mythical creature. Alright, so let's see. Another view of some animals. There is a black rhino, kind of hard to see, but we're going to get a little better view of it as we journey around the corner. Hopefully we'll get a little better view. And they do like to hang out near the watering hole. That's where they like to socialize in the morning and the afternoon. Now we are really lucky to see even a glimpse of a black rhino. There are less than 5,000 of them in the entire world. They're so endangered. They're being poached almost to extinction for their horns. Look, there's another one behind our left shoulder back there in front of the rock pile.
Yeah, all the way back there.
Oh,
there I see it.
Here on the hill as well.
Yeah, I see.
Less than 5,000 of these beautiful animals.
yeah.
They are being poached almost to extinction for their horns. Now, some of them, some people out there believe that rhino horns have medicinal properties, but they're actually made of keratin, which is the same protein as our hair and fingers. Logs coming up here on the right side. Now they sleep during the day, and at night they graze the shoreline looking for food. They can eat about 150 pounds of food each night. Look, a couple more hippos on the left side over there, in case you missed. One is on the right. Quite a few of them, yeah. I see about 6, probably, right? The whole float. That's what you call a group of them. A group of hippos is called the float. Yep. Those white birds on the island are pink-backed pelicans. Pink-backed pelicans get their name because their backs turn pink during mating season. A pod of pink-backed pelicans out there.
There's baby ducks.
Oh, look at the ducklings! Oh, the wild African ducklings out there. Well, let's see for me, please. The Nile crocodile is the largest species of African crocodilian. They can reach lengths of 18 to 20 feet long. 18 to 20 feet. That's about as long as a giraffe is tall. View as we come down from the hill here. Everything the light touches is the savannah. These grasslands stretch for hundreds of miles here on the reserve. Now I can already see some really great animals. Hopefully we'll see them a little closer. There's quite a few giraffes out here. They're all over the place. If you look on your right side, way back there, you can see the wildebeest kind of between some bushes back there on our right. White bearded wildebeest. They're also known as GNU, G-N-U, after the noise they make. They make a low grunting noise, sort of like a cow. Yeah, a little further in the right corner, you'll see a little guy out there, the springbok. Springboks, maybe we'll see some more. They are pretty small. They're about 3 feet fully grown, but they can jump about 6 to 8 feet straight into the air and about 13 feet forward as well. Now on the right side over, cattle. The Ankole cattle, they're also known as Watusi cattle after the African tribe that first domesticated them. And they're the only animals here on the reserve that have been domesticated. These are all wild, but they have been domesticated before here in Africa. Their horns can grow to be about 5 or 6 feet long. Inside those horns, they have a honeycomb-like structure, so they're not quite as heavy as they look. They have a series of blood vessels that flow through those horns to keep them nice and cool. It's like having a big radiator on their heads. Look on the left, there's some African wild dogs. I see one walking around out there. Get a little better view. The African wild dog, they're in the water. Pretty cool to see them in the water. Now they're also known as painted dogs. Each one of them has a unique pattern to their coat. They recognize each other by that pattern on sight. They are the most successful predators in Africa. They work together as a pack to chase their prey to exhaustion, which is about 90% success rate for them. Now on the left side here, you'll see the sable antelope. Sable antelope. They are very brave. They would rather use their horns to defend themselves than run away from a predator, which is a pretty rare trait for an antelope to stand their ground. They would rather take on a lion than run away. Here we go. Alright friends, we're going to see it nice and close up here on the left side. You'll see it chewing. They eat pretty much all day long, so no surprise to see them eating. They do use their long prehensile tongue to eat. Their tongue is about 18 inches long.
Hi, buddy. How's it going?
Oh, look at the little one. Right there.
Look, there's a couple of giraffes on our right side up here, a couple more on our left as well.
Yeah, yeah. Look at that one like peeking around. Like, what are you guys doing?
A whole tower of giraffes out here. A group of giraffes is called a tower. Way up there on the top of the hill. It looks like, yep, he is by himself and also seems to be in the roadway. Couple of elephant friends out here. I'm going to go all the way around the corner because I'm not able to stop right here. So let's see if we can get a little bit better view up ahead. Now keep an eye out for little ones. Like I said, the males will separate from the herd. So the rest of the herd is typically made up of female and young elephants. So let's see if we can find some little ones. Not at birth. And that's after a 22-month pregnancy. They have the second longest childhood of all the mammals, second to us humans. They reach adulthood in their teens, around 15 or 16 years old. Oh, I do see, I think it might be a little one. Look by the baobab tree out there. You see that? There's an elephant there, and then near the tree is a little tiny one, yeah. Well, tiny-ish. Yeah. Now elephants are, you'll see that little one doesn't have tusks yet. They're about 5 years old when they grow those tusks. And both female and male African elephants do have those ivory tusks. Their trunk has over 100,000 muscles, which is more muscles than we have in our entire body. They use their trunk for drinking or breathing. It's a combination of their upper lip and their nose. Look, there's a baby one. You can see it kind of a little better here. Oh, walking away. Yeah, a couple of flamingos out here. A whole flamboyance of them. A group of flamingos is called a flamboyance. These are the greater flamingos, and the greater flamingo is the lightest pink color of the pink flamingo species. They get their color from their brine shrimp diet, and these guys are also the largest species of pink flamingo. They can grow to be about 5 feet tall and only about 9 pounds. Look at that little baby elephant way back there. It's cute. This is my favorite view.
Oh, yeah.
To the baobab tree. So let's check out the rest. A whole crash of white rhinos out there. The white rhino, they are about 5,000 pounds. The black rhino in the forest is about 3,000, so these guys are a little bit bigger. They also differ from their cousin, the black rhino, because of the shape of their mouths. On the left side here, you can see the warthogs. There's a burrows underneath as well, so look closely. You can see how big their burrows are. They're the largest burrowing animals. They like to sit inside their burrows with their tusks facing the entrance to defend themselves and their burrows. They actually have 2 sets of tusks. The outer tusks are for digging their burrows. Inner tusks are for defense, and they are razor sharp. A group of warthogs is called a sounder warthog. Right, look at these zebras. These are Grants or plain zebras. They're the ones that have stripes all the way around their bellies.